Okay, we're now going to check the electrical system on the ST315i tool by inserting the battery into the on position. Then invert the gun, put your finger down on the small roller bearing lever and depress that. The fan should start turning and then you squeeze the trigger. If you do that in sequence, you'll note that the spark is jumping across. And you can be assured then that this unit has a sound electrical system that is in working condition. It's now time to clean the tool. Bucket and the cleaner degreaser. You give a quick spray, you make sure that spray gets around the ring grooves, and also particularly important is the spark plug. Allow that to eat the deposits that would normally be on an older tool and put it aside till it dries. We will push the piston to the bottom of the firing chamber using the handle of the screwdriver so that it doesn't scratch the bore. And now it's time to clean the inside of this tool as well. So use cleaner degreaser, give it a good spray out, hold the tool on its side. It's important to hold it on its side profile so that it doesn't run into the tool and cause the tool to become contaminated with deposits in the bottom of the tool. Then when you finish that and the deposits are removed, you can tip the excess cleaner out and allow the engine to dry. You can use a rag if there are some deposits that are particularly hard to get out to wipe them off. The next step is to replace the lower work contact on the tool. You put a little bit of pressure on the lower work contact element to help it align. Make sure that it's in the correct position and snap on the retaining lever. The fuel shelf is in position. We'll fit the handle assembly. And replace the sleeve to hold it. While we put the screws in. Aligning, being careful to align the fuel shelf, the handle assembly and the body of the nailer can sometimes be a little bit difficult to do.